Okay, so when SoundPeats sent me their pop clip open ear headphones, I was pretty excited but also confused at the same time because I'm not an audiophile at all. All I have for reference is like my AirPods or something, and so I was a bit confused but excited nonetheless. So like I said, these are the SoundPeats pop clip by SoundPeats, and they sent me these to just check out and get my thoughts on them, and I, spoiler alert, really like them. Welcome to a new video, and if you're new here, glad you're here, where I make content around tech, accessories, and my experience with it to try to help you out. And in this quick little video, we're going to be talking about the SoundPeats Pop Clip open ear headphones, which I'll also link below by the way if you're interested. But yeah, we're going to be talking about this, starting off with the bad things or the negatives. So keeping in mind my point of reference, the AirPods Pro, which is the case for a lot of you, the SoundPeats Pop Clip have noticeably bad audio quality compared to the AirPods Pro for two main reasons. Those being that the SoundPeats Pop Clip don't sit inside your ear canal, whereas the AirPods Pro do, and because of that, you don't really get that much bass, that much like audio quality or thumping or anything like that, or you don't get like clear audio basically. And you know that feeling where you can hear subtle instruments in like really good headphones and you're like, whoa, I didn't even know that was in there. Yeah, you don't really get that experience with the SoundPeats Pop Clip. And the second reason is that the audio drivers are noticeably smaller or worse or whatever the case is. And that makes sense because the AirPods Pro costs like $330 in Canada or like $250 in the States, whereas the SoundPeats Pop Clip costs like 60 bucks, and right now they're on sale for like 40. So get them while you can. So at like a third of the price or like a fraction of the cost of the AirPods Pro, you do get lower quality audio, which makes sense. So another downside with the SoundPeats Pop Clip is that the sound quality or the microphone quality isn't that good, and that again makes sense for a pair of $60 headphones, but that's also something to consider if you're planning to take phone calls or record audio or something like that using these headphones. And this is where the good part begins. None of that matters if you're looking for earphones that don't pain when you're like wearing them for long periods of time, or you're looking for earphones that don't fall out all the time, and you're just overall looking for earphones that fit your ear, basically every type of ear. Then these are the ones for you, the SoundPeats Pop Clip. I absolutely love the open ear concept because it's basically naturally transparency mode through the use of physics, kind of, if that makes sense. So you just put them around your ear like this, and it pretty much stays on no matter what you're doing. Like if I move my head around and stuff like that, oh my god, it's so weird. But if I move my head around, you can see none of these even moved at all. They also have buttons on the earphone themselves and physical tactile buttons, so it's not like pinch or press or whatever, anything like that, but you have that sense of confidence with it. So you have button controls for audio playback, and that's amazing to see. And a few bonuses with these pop clips is that the battery life is pretty solid. Now they do say that it's about 8 hours on a single charge. I didn't quite get that much, but more like 6 to 7 hours, and when they do run out of charge, they charge via USB-C, but there's no wireless charging. I can forgive that. And the case is nice and matte black. It looks so stealthy and like amazing. And the case is very light and nice and easy to use because it's made of plastic. But you know what else is made of plastic? The AirPods Pro. Yeah, these are made of plastic, and these feel significantly, like noticeably heavier than these. So if the weight of a headphone is a concern to you, then definitely the SoundPeats Pop Clips are much lighter than the AirPods Pro. And the last bonus is that they're easy to pair with iPhone or Android. So that's pretty much it. If you're like me and you're not an audiophile or anything, and you're not really into headphones or super good quality or anything like that for headphones, and if you just want to listen to music while also be aware of your surroundings on a natural way, where your ears don't hurt or anything like that, and like you don't want to worry about them falling out or them not fitting you or something like that, these literally fit on any kind of ear. And look at my ears. I have really weird ears and they fit me pretty well. So if you're looking for earphones that just work, then I would definitely recommend getting the SoundPeats Pop Clip. And while SoundPeats did send me these, they explicitly also mentioned that I should be honest and like candid with my thoughts, so hence the negativity in this video, but also the positivity because these are actually pretty good headphones. So if you are interested in buying a pair, I will leave a link in the description and in the comments down below for you to go and get one yourself. If you did enjoy, definitely leave a like, subscribe to see more, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in one of these two videos or in the next one. Bye.